What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami ninja star. And it's really cool looking. See, it's got the lines on it. And it does fly pretty good too, like a flicker. And yeah. And what's also cool about it is that you can make it different colors like this too. This is from 2 colors. And you'll get a result like this. And of course it's double-sided. Alright, and now I'm going to teach you all how to fold it. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, to fold this ninja star, I'm going to use a square that's 6 inches. And I'm going to use this cool double-sided paper. So it's orange on this side and green on the other. I've used this in my videos before. It's really nice. Alright, so we actually need to split this in half. So, to do that, let's first fold it in half like this. So we're taking this edge and folding it to this edge. Okay, and try and make this even. Make it fold as precise as possible. And make them really sharp. Okay, and let's reverse this crease we just made. So, fold it backwards. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to split this in half. And you can use scissors to cut along that crease, but I like to tear it. So, just make a small tear on the top, like that. And place it on a flat surface. And separate your hands. And there you go. There's your 2 sheets. So, we're going to make 2 units that are mirror images to each other. So, here we go. So let's make one. So, I'm going to make a green ninja star with orange lines. So, we're going to begin with the line side up, or in this case, orange side up, and we're going to fold it in half. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge. We're not folding actually to the crease, we're going to leave some space. And we're actually making the orange lines. So the space we're going to leave between here, that's going to be the lines here. So if you want the lines to be a little fatter, then you fold it up less. But if you want them to be really narrow, then you fold it closer to the crease. But I say about like this is good. I'm going to go to about there. And I like to fold, if you tore your paper in half, I like to fold the smooth edge up like this. And not the rough edge that you tore on. Okay. Sorry, my voice sounds kind of weird right now, because I just woke up. That's why. This is my wake-up voice. Okay. And rotate. And on this side, we're going to fold this edge directly to the crease this time. Alright. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Now, turn it over. And fold it in half. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the crease we just made. Alright, now take this edge and we're going to fold it to here. You can rotate it if that's easiest for you. Okay, now turn over, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to that edge. Okay, and also fold this little flap up too. Okay, and repeat on this side. So this model is very much like the original double-sided ninja star. And I actually made a tutorial for it, so you can learn it in this video right here. But yeah, this model is pretty much the same thing, just with a line on it. Okay, and now fold this flap up as far as it goes. this one down like this, just like we're making the regular one. And there's one unit. Okay. And, oh, actually, I need to kind of unfold this one a little bit, just to show you when we're going to make the next one. So we're going to make, there, just unfold it to about there. You don't need to unfold yours. You can keep yours how it is. But, well, actually, I do recommend it. So, we're going to make another one, but this one is going to be mirror image to this one. So, again, I'm going to make a green one with orange lines. So, in half. Okay, unfold. And I'm going to rotate it so I have the smooth edge. And I'm going to fold this up, not directly to the crease, but leaving some space. And I'm going to try and match what I did right here. Okay, and this side, fold to the crease this time. Okay, and turn over and fold in half. I'm going a little bit faster this time, because I trust you guys are good folders. Alright, now here's the part where we're going to make it mirror image. So, instead of taking this edge and folding it to the crease like this, we're going to take the bottom edge this time and fold it to the crease. So, this flap goes up. Alright, and now take this edge and fold it to that crease. Okay, and crease sharp. So if you look at it, they are mirror images to each other. You see that? Alright, and I'll go and refold this one back up like this. I want to make sure that flap goes over the edge. There we go. Just give me a second here. There we go. Alright, now turn over, and we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease, or to that edge. It's not really a crease. Okay. And this flap, that little raw flap goes up too. And same here too. Alright. And this goes up like this. Alright, now it's time to put them together. So, it's just like the regular ninja star. Just overlap them like this so it's like an X. And then you want to just make sure that everything lines up. And then fold this up. And you want to make sure that you're doing it right. And yeah, that looks good to me. I'm just kind of adjust it a little bit. This part is kind of hard to explain, hard to teach, but I'll do my best. So you want to do it so that this crease right here, it touches that point right there. See? That's how you know you're perfect. And same here. So make sure that this crease touches that point, that edge. Alright. Now take this flap and stick it into the pocket. And same here too. Alright. And the back side. Kind of have to just kind of pull on things a little bit to adjust it. And insert the flaps into the pockets. Alright. Make this a little bit brighter. There we go. Okay. And there it is. There is the Ninja Star. So yeah. I didn't really name this Ninja Star yet because it's so new. But look at the title of this video, and that's the name of the Ninja Star. But yeah, it's really cool looking with the lines. So if you just want a nice clean double-sided Ninja Star like this, then you're all done. But if you want it to fly like a flicker, then you want to fold these edges up a little bit. And this is actually nice because it kind of curves these edges a little bit, and it makes it look more cooler. It makes it look more sharp, and I kind of like that. But it's not as clean on the other side though, obviously. So it's not quite as double-sided. But, okay, if you want to do that, then here's what we're going to do. So, I don't really think it matters what side you do it on, but I'll go with this side. So, just take this edge, if my camera would focus. We're folding this edge up between this corner and there, and it's a curved fold. Okay. And that's what it looks like. And 3 more times. So fold up in between the 2 points, and it's a small curved fold. And I'll get these 2 off video. Alright, and that's what it looks like. And there it is, and now it's a flicker. So you just hold it by one of the corners like this, and you flick on this edge somewhere, and it should fly like a pretty good flicker. So yeah, there you have it. And maybe if you fold it like this, and then make like a small point right there, and then find a desk or table that's smooth like this, and give it a good spin. And it's a spinner too. How cool is that? I just discovered that just now. Oh, and I want to show you this other spinning model that I designed recently. This one's really cool. Oh, I gotta make that point again on this one. There we go. Yeah, I think it lost its spinning for some reason. Maybe I had to remake the point, but I don't know. But yeah, this is a really cool model I designed, and I'm thinking about making a tutorial for this in the near future. But yeah, I don't know what this is called, but I guess it's like a 4-pointed star, and it's some kind of container, and it's also a spinner. But yeah, I'll teach this on my channel pretty soon, but I don't know when. But yeah, alright, enough with that. Hope you guys like this Ninja Star and were able to make it, and make sure you subscribe and enjoy flying it.